Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add 3D Zoom Pro video effect and CapCut video editor. Alright, tap on your project, select the photos you like to edit, and I'm going to open my project. Alright, to apply the 3D Zoom Pro effect, you are just going to select effect and select photo effect. So can select the alright, motion and select 3D Zoom Pro right here. Tap on it and just wait for playing. There we go, and you can use for another clip. Select style, motion, 3D Zoom Pro. Alright, do as before to another clip. So this effect can use only 2 photos. Just click check mark, and you can also add the transition. Click check marks. Apply to all the clips. So here we go. And also add the audio you like. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys.